आई थिंक ये एक बहुत इंडिविजुअल आर्ग्यूमेंट है। आजकल आप देख भी लें तो मतलब बहुत मुश्किल होता है मैरिजेस को इतना लंबा सस्टेन करना जितना पहले होते थे मैरिजेस। तो आई थिंक ये एक हर इंडिविजुअल के लिए डिसाइड करने की बात है कि अगर पूरी दुनिया में होता है कि इफ़ यू स्टे विद समबडी बियॉन्ड 6 मंथ्स या 8 मंथ्स इट्स यू आर कंसिडर्ड यू टू हैव लीगल राइट्स। तो आई थिंक ये इंडिविजुअल सी बात है। एंड जो लोग एक साथ रहते हैं और शायद शादी में ना बिलीव करें, आई थिंक हर इंसान के लिए राइट्स होने चाहिए। और हम एज अ कंट्री बहुत डिक्टेट करना शुरू कर दिया हम लोगों ने, ये करो, ये मत करो, ये करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए। आई थिंक लोगों को छोड़ देना चाहिए। हम दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी डेमोक्रेसी में रहते हैं और डेमोक्रेसी की तरह बिहेव नहीं करते आजकल। सो लेट्स जस्ट लेट पीपल बी एंड लेट पीपल लिव देयर लाइव्स विदाउट जजिंग। हम अपने ऊपर ध्यान दो। आई थिंक दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट।
I think that marriage is a very great institution. I believe in it, and I believe in live and let live. जो जिसको करना चाहिए, live in relationship हो या नहीं हो, that's an individual choice. So yeah, respect.
यार मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, I don't know the details of it, तो I don't know at what level they've spoken about it. So it would be very stupid of me to just talk without knowing information. इसी तरह unnecessary controversies बनती हैं, तो I'll avoid it.
In cities, you see a lot of couples living together, and I'm not saying it'll increase, massively, but I just feel that it's good to recognize that. It's good to give that equal importance, and it'll hopefully change the mindset of more people, but it'll take time, I guess.
I'm not so sure about it because I think there are good things to it and there are also equal amount of bad things to it. I think my thoughts are not fully formed about this, so I really need to seriously think about it properly. Yeah.
I think it's fair. I won't think that it's unfair and unjust because, beyond a point after so many years of living in, I'm sure two people feel committed and married to each other anyway in their hearts. And I think to really structurize that and say, okay, you know what, let's say you're living in, I'm sorry, but I'm not aware of the number of, the time frame that they've set in, more than 2 years. So I think it's fair to sort of structurize it and say that since you have been living in for 2 years, if you choose to, I think very well go ahead with it, and we would declare you married in the eyes of the law. I think it's fair. I think in today's day and age, people are growing, and we have to evolve with the way that things are going. You cannot be so stuck. Marriage is a marriage of the mind. So if two people have been living together for many years, they are somewhere in their minds already married. So it's not a piece of paper that tells you you're married. It's in your heart and in your head that tells you you're married. And I think it's amazing if the Supreme Court is going to be progressive enough to recognize these relationships. I think yes, democracy is about growing and being progressive.
I can't answer that question straight off the top of my head because I think it's it's a bit of a political question. I do believe in the institution of marriage, but I think it's a personal choice. I think if you're living with someone, then that's a commitment in itself, isn't it? In a way.
अगर हम अरेंज मैरिज कर सकते हैं, अपने बच्चों को स्ट्रेंजर्स से शादी करने के लिए फोर्स कर सकते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली अपनी चॉइस के पार्टनर के साथ अगर कोई 2 कंसेंशुअल अडल्ट्स रहना चाहें तो उसमें बुरी बात क्या है।